Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to track your sleep with the help of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Let's get started, but firstly don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So the first thing is, this watch automatically measures how long you are sleeping per night if you are wearing them while sleeping. So if you want to know more about your sleep than just how long you've slept, let me show you how. The first thing I will show you is how to turn automatic measurement of saturation while asleep. Saturation is blood oxygen. To enable this function, swipe up on your watch and click on the Samsung Health application. After this, click on this Sleep tab, scroll down and click on Advanced. After this, on your phone will appear a tab named Advanced Measurement. Right here we can click on the blood oxygen and read some information how the automatic measurement of blood oxygen will work during sleep. But after you have read everything of it, you can just simply turn it on. And that's all. Now to the second feature. So the second feature is snore detection. Before we open the Advanced Measurement tab, in which you can see the blood oxygen and snore detection. If you enable this function before you will go to sleep, this function will record your snoring if you will snore at night. And after you wake up, you can actually listen to you snoring. This function is kind of fun, but it also can help you catch respiratory issues early. Just to turn it on, click on the slider right here. And that's all. Also, you can get warning that this function can consume more battery than without it. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.